Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid vocal strain while singing. The most crucial element is proper breath support. You must engage your diaphragm, allowing your abdominal muscles to control the airflow rather than relying on your throat. Maintaining excellent posture, with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders, also significantly enhances your lung capacity and vocal efficiency, preventing unnecessary tension. Before any singing, it is absolutely essential to prepare your voice. Dedicate a minimum of 10 minutes to vocal warm-ups, starting with gentle humming and lip trills to gradually engage your vocal cords. Hydration is also key. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. This keeps your vocal cords supple and reduces friction, significantly lowering the risk of strain. When singing, prioritize smart techniques over brute force. Never push or force high notes. Instead, focus on proper resonance and placement to achieve them effortlessly. Pay close attention to your body's signals. If you feel any discomfort or fatigue, give your voice a rest. Remember, effective singing is about balanced vocal production and control, not just how loudly you can sing. For long-term vocal health, recovery and maintenance are paramount. After extended singing sessions, ensure you give your voice adequate rest to recover fully. Be mindful of daily habits. Avoid shouting or excessive whispering, as both can be surprisingly damaging to your vocal cords. For continuous improvement and personalized strategies, consider seeking guidance from a qualified vocal coach. They can offer tailored advice to keep your voice healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.